Now let's set up the main menu. If we go to our home page, we can see here this menu. We can actually change the order of these links or remove them or edit them. And the way we do this is by going to appearance menus, and then we can create a new menu. I'm going to call this one main, and now I can add the buttons that I want to appear. Let's say I want these 3 buttons to appear. Click add to menu, and I can very easily rearrange them or nest them. I actually can add custom lists. Let's say that this is my Facebook page or whatever. You can also add custom links, right? Menu item, and I can now actually give it an actual name, and I can save the menu. Now, if I refresh the page right now, let's see if anything changes. Nothing changes because we have not assigned this menu to a theme location. The way we do that, we go back to menus, and we can see there's 4 main locations, theme locations in this theme that we installed, and the one we want to select is header menu. So when we click save and now we refresh our home page, we'll be able to see how that has changed right now, and that's exactly what we wanted. I can see that the home button has disappeared. Let's go here back to theme options, menus. So we can actually add that, add to menu. We can put it to the top, save menu, then we can refresh, and the home button will appear here. Now there's something interesting. The home page doesn't look the way I want. It's not the default home page that comes with this theme. Sometimes themes come already with their front pages, or also known as home pages. In this case, it does. So what I have to go for this specific theme, it may be different on your theme, is go to theme options here in appearance theme options, and we got the theme options for this specific theme, which is called responsive. We gotta go to home, and we have to click override the WordPress front page option so we can see the actual, let's just save it, the default home page for this theme. Once it's saved and we refresh this page, we'll be able to see that. And now we can edit these parameters here under theme options, home page. It says hello world by default, but you could say my site or welcome to my site, and some kind of headline and some content area, blah blah blah, and save it. And also a call to action, and then save it. Now from now on, it's just a process of editing and doing all kinds of things to make sure that it looks fantastic. But we're not going to go into that detail. You can hire somebody to do that, and you can learn this on your own. This is just a quick overview of how easy it is to set up a WordPress site. So there you go, that changed. The next step, so we set up the main menu, is manage widgets. If we go here to our blog page or any of our pages, we can see here that there's a lot of widgets that we can actually edit as well. So to edit that, it's very simple. We go to appearance and widgets, and now we can decide what appears. Here on the main sidebar, we have all of this: search, recent posts, recent comments. So if you don't want something, you can simply go open it and delete it. Open it and delete it. Definitely meta is it's a widget. This is the meta widget, which lets you access your site admin or log out or log in. That's typically taken out. Categories, and now there's other ones that you can add if you want, like Facebook like box, avatar profile, pages. The main recommendation I can give you here is that keep your sidebars really clean. So let's refresh this now that we've changed some stuff. Keep it very clean, and most of the time what you will have there is an opt-in box to collect email addresses, and I'll show you later how to do that. And maybe you have popular posts. Once you have, like, let's say 10 posts and some traffic, it wouldn't be a bad idea to start to put a popular post widget there. But that's pretty much how you can edit your widgets. Then upload a site logo. All templates will allow you to edit the the logo, and in this case logo upload, and here you would need to replace the or remove the. Click here, and it would tell you which is the suggested width and height for this logo. Now you can hire somebody at 99 Designs to do it for you, or you can have your own, you can use Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Fireworks, and create a new document and type in those dimensions, 300 by 100, 300 by 100, okay, and now you can create your own logo. My logo, and there you go. You can now save that. Let me just create a slice, export it to my desktop somewhere here. Logo, zero logo, logo. It's a PNG with transparency in the background. Now that it's saved, I can quickly go and choose a file. I'm gonna go to my desktop, select it, choose upload, save changes, crop and publish. And now if I go here, let's see what happens. In theory, there should be a logo there, my logo. It was as simple as that. Obviously, you put something that looks prettier than that. What else do we have? Upload a favicon icon. The favicon icon is that little icon that appears on your tabs. Like here in 99 Designs, they have the 99. And the way to do this is you create a smaller version of your logo. We usually 16 by 16 pixels, 16 high by 16 wide. And you can either use an application like Preview to reduce it, or you can upload your logo here in square format. And this site, for example, favicon.cc, will generate a small file. And depending on which theme are you using, it will allow you to upload a favicon icon. Let me see in this case if we have that in this template. So if we go to theme options, let's see if there's a favicon place. Logo upload, social icons, not. But I think Jetpack may have it. If not, you can just actually upload it to your server. Let's see here, photo, see other Jetpack features. Favicon, I don't see it there, favicon. Site icon, it was there, site icon, activate site icon. So we activate the site icon, and then we can configure it. And add a site icon, and now you would upload. Okay, in this case it says the image should be at least 512 pixels in both width and height. So let's do quickly an example, because what's going to happen is going to get reduced by this plugin. So we could create now a, what is that, 512. So let's create a new file on Fireworks. Okay, and now we could upload this file. This could be my icon. I'm just gonna make it look like that. My. Change its size to something big, a little bit bigger, 400. Now insert and a slice. Okay. Export this slice. This is going to be by favicon. And now let's upload it. Upload image. Choose. Upload image. My. Preview. Mobile icon. Crop image. There you go. Okay, so it has different sizes already generated. Now what should happen if this is activated on Jetpack? Actually, Safari doesn't have favicons. That's interesting. But some, like Chrome and Firefox, does have favicons. So if we go here, we'll be able to see the favicon appears. And as you can see now, the little icon appears there. That is so fantastic. And here we did the last thing of installing WordPress templates. As you can see, there's a bunch of different steps that we've covered, and I make this form available so you don't get lost when you're trying to replicate this process. Congratulations, your website is up and running. Hey, did you enjoy this video? If you want to see more like this, just subscribe here. If you want a free gift, click here. Yeah. Which one is going to be the one you click?